Good morning. Today feels like a beautiful day. Oh, wow. It's already morning. I slept really well. Time to start the day.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel great. I still feel a little tired.
Wash your face. You will wake up.
That's a good idea. Today is going to be a busy day. That feels much better. Now I'm fully awake.
What should I wear today? Maybe this one.
This looks nice. Yes, this is perfect. Something smells amazing. I think breakfast is ready. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hi.
Breakfast is ready.
Wow, pancakes. They look delicious.
I'm really hungry.
Slow down. He really is.
Take your time.
It's good, right?
Is everyone ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go outside!
I love mornings like this.
Fresh air is always nice.
I feel so energetic. The street looks very peaceful today.
Wait for me!
Don't run too fast.
Hey! Wait for me!
Come on, we're right here.
Stay together.
Look at that bakery! I see cakes!
Maybe next time.
First, we finish our walk.
Good morning!
Morning.
Nice to see you.
We are at the store.
Can we go inside?
Of course.
We need to buy a few things. Wow, there are many shelves here.
Look at all the snacks!
Let's find what we need.
Stay close.
Everything looks interesting.
Look over there!
Let's check that aisle.
Good idea.
Wow, there are so many things here. Everything looks interesting. Look at all these snacks.
Not everything is healthy.
Let's focus on what we need.
Wow, look at all these. There are so many choices. Take.
Here it is.
Great, thank you! That was easy.
Let's put it in the basket.
It smells wonderful.
I love fresh bread.
This one looks good.
Let's take it.
This is perfect. Now I'm getting hungry.
We found everything.
That was fast.
Good teamwork.
Let's pay and go. Have a great day.
You too, thanks.
This park is beautiful.
Look at all the trees!
Fresh air feels great.
Listen to the birds.
I like this place.
Nature is relaxing.
Catch me if you can!
Slow down.
Be careful.
This place looks interesting.
Let's explore a little. Stay close to each other.
Wait, what is that? It looks like a toy. Maybe a dog was here. Where is the dog?
Let's look around.
Is anyone here? I don't see anything.
Keep looking.
Look at these tracks. They look like dog prints.
Good observation. Let's follow them.
Maybe the dog went this way. I hope we find him.
Stay calm and keep looking.
I hope the dog is safe.
Don't worry.
We will find him. We can't give up.
We will find the dog. Let's stay positive.
Yes, keep moving.
I don't see the dog.
Maybe he went home.
We've been searching for a long time.
I'm getting tired too. Let's go home and rest.
We will try again later.
I don't see the dog. Maybe he went home. That's possible.
Let's think for a moment.
Maybe we should check near the houses.
Yes, maybe someone found him.
That's a good idea.
Let's go back.
We've been searching for a long time. I'm really tired now.
Let's go home and rest.
We can continue tomorrow.
I hope the dog is okay. Maybe someone helped him.
That's possible.
Let's stay positive.
Finally, we are home. What a long day. Come inside.
Let's take a break.
I'm exhausted.
Me too. Searching all day is hard work.
You both did a great job today. Let me check outside. It's very quiet outside. It's very dark out here. Maybe I imagined something. Something is moving over there. Oh my goodness! There you are. Are you all right, little guy? You had us worried. Look who I found! The dog!
We found him!
Today was a long day.
But we didn't give up. And we found our friend.
That's what family does.